back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be making a beginner's guide for people that are just starting out in Project Slayer. So first and foremost, if this is going to be the most important tip anyone will ever give you, if there are toxic people in your lobby, for example, just block them off. Now I never want to play in another lobby with these guys, and so I'm just going to block them. Because a few of them were trying to kill each other, and anyone that tries to kill someone else, I consider them to be toxic. Anyways, you want to block the people that's being toxic, trying to kill you over and over again. That way you will never fall in the same lobby with them. So, and then we start this off. You want to do Somi's quest. Somi's quest is gonna be beating up a bunch of people and rescuing her sister and beating the boss over here. Now, why do you want to do Somi's quest? Because that's the easiest quest to get level up XP from. You want to keep doing Somi's quest until you are level 12, and this is gonna be the next tip on how to get a sword. Now you can see Grandpa Wagwan here. Grandpa Wagwan is gonna give you a quest, carrying the log from point A to point B. You wanna do his quest until and unless you have earned enough to buy yourself a sword. And once you've done that, you wanna come over here. And then you want to buy the golden sword, because you don't want to buy the green sword. The golden sword has better stats than the green sword. You want to make sure you buy the golden katana. The green katana is bad. You do not want to buy the green katana. And this is Jeff. He can repair your swords if you have it in hand. And now I show you my sword over here is kind of damaged, so I'm just going to speak to him. And he's going to blah blah blah. And yeah, my blade was now repaired. That's gonna be it. Once you're level 12, you want to make sure you have saved up until 5,001. When you have earned up to 5,001, you can learn any type of breeding techniques. And once you've learned breeding techniques, the game has begun. Now enjoy your game, cause you have officially become a breeding user. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.